Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to select vendor as a featured vendor, or how to make any vendor as a featured vendor. Also, how you can display your featured vendor in the home page of your website. So, if you have started your multi-vendor e-commerce website with WordPress using Dokan plugin and design it with Elementor page builder, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here you are going to learn everything without any coding skill, without any previous experience. So you don't have to hire anyone for that. Just let's get started. To set your vendor as a featured vendor, first of all you have to log in your website dashboard, then move your mouse on Dokan and select vendor. In the vendor section you can see your all the vendor, then you have to select the vendor that you wanted to make it featured vendor. So I'm going to select Pfizer Fashion and click on the edit, and we want to make it as a featured vendor. To do this we have to scroll down, okay, hi mo একটা minute okay, when you so we are right now in the vendors page. So okay, we are right now in the vendor page list, and now we have to select the vendor which one we want to make featured vendor. For example, I wanted to make Pfizer Fashion, this one, as a featured vendor. So going to click on the edit, okay. So we wanted to make it as a featured vendor. So after click on the edit, we are right now in this page. Then scroll down, you see there is an option make vendor as a featured vendor. So you have to just select this one, then click on the save changes. Vendor successfully update. Also you can customize a lot of things in here. Just you have to click on here, then you can change vendor store banner, profile logo, first name, last name, select vendor category, phone number, email, company name, also your address. Social option, you can control your social option. Payment option, you can enable publish product directly, enable order creation, also account type, everything you can select from here. You have to just play around. Also you can set up the commission option from here. So I hope you understand how to make any vendor as a featured vendor. When any vendor become a featured vendor, you will see a star icon in here on their profile in the top right corner. So we have done so far. Now we are going to learn how we can display or show our vendor on our website. We have multiple methods to display our vendor or featured vendor in the website. Here is the step-by-step guideline, but I'm going to ignore this theoretical step-by-step process. I just want to show you in real life project. So first we are going to show you how we can show our vendor with widget. Our first method is show vendor using widget in Elementor. To do this you have to go to your website. So first we are going to learn how we can do it using widget. So going to our website home page and edit mode, then scroll down, you have to scroll down, then click on the WordPress, and you will find here option Dokan featured vendor. This is the option, we have to use this or add it, Dokan featured vendor, and you can see our vendor featured vendor display in here, but it's not look so professional. That's why I ignore this one this way. Also we have another way, this is using shortcut. We can easily add this shortcut, just copy and go back and add a code, search code, drag and drop the shortcut and simply paste the shortcut in here, and when we click on the apply, our vendor will display in here. Also we can add parameter like Dokan vendor featured per page 4 vendor and 4 column. You can try this one also. Then method 3, using custom query with theme builder, we can ignore this one totally. And finally the best way is to copy your vendor store website or vendor profile. I don't also recommend this way because it does not show your vendor nice way or looks good, so remove this one. Okay, I recommend to create a section with image box or image section or icon section, then add your vendor image, vendor title and tagline, then click your vendor store link in here. So click on this icon, enable link and add link here. And now the question is that how or where you get your vendor or featured vendor store link. Just go back and here click on the store name, not edit, click on store name, then click on the visit store. You can click on visit store or directly right click of your mouse, then copy link address and simply paste this link in here. You see we have added the link and click on the publish. We have done. So simple and easy. So I hope you understand how to make vendor as a featured vendor, also how to edit vendor details or information in the Dokan dashboard and in Green panel, and how to display your vendor in the home page in different way, and what is the best way to display featured vendor in the home page in any section like top section. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.